I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on an Audi Q8. First, gather your essential tools, including a suitable wrench, a new oil filter, and the correct type of engine oil. Make sure your Audi Q8 is parked on a level surface, and the engine has been run for a few minutes to warm the oil, making it flow more easily. Next, locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing underneath the vehicle. Now, let's drain the old oil. Position a large drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow at least 10 to 15 minutes for all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This ensures maximum removal of contaminants. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Remove the old oil filter housing and replace the filter element, ensuring the new O-rings are properly seated. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 30 Newton meters. Finally, pour in approximately 8 to 9 liters of the correct fresh engine oil through the filler cap. Almost done. After adding the new oil, check the level using either the electronic display or the physical dipstick if present. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the fresh oil, then recheck the level. Finally, and this is important, reset the service reminder light on your Audi Q8's dashboard, typically through the infotainment system, to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.